In this video, I would like to show you how to share your CAM720 camera with others. Open the app and click on More. Tap on Device Sharing or Device Settings, either any of them. Then tap on Device Sharing. Before all this process, the person you want to share your camera to, suppose, downloaded the same app, CAM720, registered in it with his or her email. If done that, enter the email he or she used to register in the app. Copy it and paste in the space here, or type it there. After that, click Confirm. It will successfully added. Mine shows can't share it with yourself, because I used same email I already logged in to demonstrate this to you. Please like, share, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel.